The number of patients experiencing Tahiti disease has increased since the sound of Horek hit the Rhapsodia area. The sound we hear should have a maximum limit of 120 decibel in an open space and a maximum dynamic sound system of 85 decibel. This is the impact when the sound level exceeds the maximum limit. It is suspected that residence houses have experienced damage to roof tiles, glass, and cracked walls. It is also suspected that a woman died while watching the Sound Horek Festival. This is a lesson for us all.
Why is the region's voice so audible on the news, but the people's complaints are so deaf to the ears of officials? It's also suspected that the windows of residence house were broken. Will this be followed up?
Rhapsodia Society. What do you think about the video we aired earlier? It's very detrimental, right? Public health is disturbed, the environment is damaged, and also detrimental to the community. This means that the previous president's term of office was very bad. They did not care about the community and instead participated in the fun with the Sound of Horek.
The Sound of Horek originated from the folk celebration in the country of Rhapsodia, where the use of large sound system has been popular since 2000. At first, the Sound of Horek was known as a large orchestra with no Sound Horek appraised around 2014 from a march in Rapsia, which featured the thunderous sound of the big audio, until finally famous throughout the Rhapsodia area, following the lifestyle by jogging and singing.
The 100-day working program that we carry out is to create jobs, open an entrepreneurship center, issue strict regulation prohibiting the existence of Sound Horek, provide full health facilities to Rhapsodia residents, repair house damage due to the large amount of Sound Horek.
Therefore, we have a vision and mission. Let's realize it together. Our vision is to build a comfortable province free from noise pollution through regulation and education. Our mission is 3. 1. Develop strict regulation to regulate the use of sound system in public places. And 2. Ensure effective law enforcement. And last, increase public awareness through regulation and education.
If we elected as the governor of Rhapsodia, we will not be like the old governor. He instead made a big Horek sound competition and harmed the surrounding community. Let's release the vision and mission that we have made, and we promise to protect the environment from the dangers of Sound Horek. We will erase the trace of Sound Horek in our country.
And if we are elected and the governor of Rhapsodia, we will hear the complaints of the people, provide social security, money, and healthy for the people.
Don't forget to vote number 3. Leading change, building progress.